Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a credit card to your Google Pay account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you, that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by the login page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account guys, or if you do not already have one, go ahead and sign up for a new account. And after logging in, you'll now be greeted by this homepage of the application where you can see all the options that you can access, such as set up tap to pay, you can send a request money, track spending, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you add a credit card, and it's very easy. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the profile picture right here in the upper right corner. As you can see, go ahead and click on your profile picture right there. And after clicking on your profile picture, this is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu with options that you can see, where you can see your money in Google Pay, you can see your balance here. Under that, you can see the wallet options, you can invite your friends, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how do you add linked accounts and payment methods. So that is where we have to go to add a credit card. So guys, go ahead and click on this option right here that says linked accounts and payment methods. So go ahead and click on that option right there, and in that new menu that will open up after clicking on that, there is going to appear an option that says to add a credit card. So you just want to go ahead guys and click on that, link your credit card, and just follow the on-screen instructions where you want to enter in your credit card info, and after that you'll be able to successfully add it to your account and get started with using Google Pay with your credit card. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.